first you have to do for this problem, what is the statement of cost? You have to do it. So first you keep it as a solution, and also keep the heading as a statement of cost. Statement of cost variant. Everyone knows how to do that, no? So what are the columns that we should keep here? One, it is particulars, and go for amount columns, 2 amount columns. Take particulars column, big column, and then amount column, 2 amount columns. You take one internal and the other one external. First, what do you have to show in the cost sheet? You have to take materials, no? Direct materials. Direct materials you take. So materials amount it is given, you show it in the outer column directly. 3,50,000 is given, no? You can see on the screen. Problem also. To this you have to add what? Direct wages, no? Direct wages or labor, what it is given that you mention here. So how much it is given? 2,70,000. And any other expenses are there? No other expenses are there, no? Direct expenses. So you add these two, direct materials and direct labor, you will get the prime cost. How much this is? Total is 6,20,000. Right? Is that correct? So to prime cost, what you are going to add?
Overhead factory.
Factory?
Factory overhead.
Overheads. Factory overheads, it is given here. Directly how much it is given? It's 81,000. 81,000. Sum up this 81,000 with the 6,20,000. You will get how much? 7,01,000. This is called as what? Works cost.
Works cost.
So now administrative overheads are also given. Add that administrative overheads to works cost. Amount given is how much? 56,000. So add to this works cost
7,57,000.
7,57,000. 7,57,000. This is called as what? Total cost of production.
Total cost of production.
Okay. So this is total cost of production. So to this you are going to add what do you have to add? Absorb factory overheads on the basis of labor and administrative overheads on the basis of work cost. Is mentioned like that, no? Here, what is the percentage that you have to add here? You have to calculate that. So, what is the percentage of factory overheads you find out to labor? How much you will get the percentage of overheads to labor? Find out here. Percentage of factory overheads to labor. Factory overheads was given here 81,000. No? Labor amount is given how much? 27,000. No? So you take the ratio between these two. So how you are going to take the ratio? Factory overheads amount. Take down this formula. Factory overheads divided by labor and then multiply it with the 100. You will get the percentage. Okay. So how much you are getting here? I will continue here itself. How much you will get here? Factory overheads is equal to 81,000 divided by labor is 2,70,000. No? 2,70,000.
30%.
Multiply it with 100, you will get
30, ma'am.
okay. So that is equal to 30%. And in the same manner, you calculate the percentage of administrative overheads. So administration overheads should be calculated on works cost. Ratio between these two, works cost and the administrative overheads. Formula, what will be the formula here? Administration overheads
Overhead
divided by
works cost.
works cost. Into 100. What is the administrative amount that we got here? It is 56,000. So 56,000 divided by works cost. How much we got? 7 lakhs
7 lakhs
1,000.
1,000.
So 7 lakhs 1,000.
7.9, ma'am.
1.9 means you take it as 8, round it off to 9, 8%. Okay. We got the percentages, how it should be calculated, how much you have to take. Now you find out the selling price now. So keep heading as a statement of the selling price of a refrigerator. So here also you are going to do the same process, that is a statement. You are going to prepare cost sheet the cost sheet you have to do same format you have to frame here, but you are going to take only for one product how much it is. Okay, take here particulars and amount. So already it was given for material cost, it was given mentioned there. Per unit it is given per refrigerator. One refrigerator, how much it is here? It is estimated that rupees 1000 in material. Okay, na? And rupees 700 in labor. Will be required for one refrigerator. It is already mentioned. We need not stay in here. Directly it was given. One unit, what is the amount? Labor also it was mentioned. You add both this, you will get per unit time cost 700. Total it is how much? 1000 plus 700 is 1700. This is time cost. So now you add the factory overheads. How much you are going to add here? Factory overheads. Already we have calculated about what is that 30% is required, right? On labor. So 30% on labor cost you calculate. So labor cost is how much? 700, no? So that means here how much you will get 700 into 30%.
210, ma'am.
So 210 you take here. 210 as factory overheads. So you add that for 1700 prime cost. Add it to prime cost. So how much you are getting here? 1910 rupees, right? This is what it is, works cost. So now administrative overheads should be calculated on works cost, no? So you add, you calculate on this. Add administrative overheads. How much you are going to add here? Already we have calculated that percentage, no? So on works cost, you are going to calculate 8% on
153,
works.
ma'am.
That is equal to works cost. We got 1910 into 8%. How much you got?
153.
153. 152 points some you got. Right? We have rounded up.
152.8 వచ్చింది.
Okay, you take it in the same one. So now if you add this, you will get what? Total cost of production, right? What is the total cost of production? 1910 plus 2000.
2062.8.
62.8. So now what you have to do up to year this year, right? Then come to the adding of selling price, right? How much you have to add selling price? Sorry, add profit. The profit of 12 and off on selling price is required. 12.5 means how much you will get? Selling price we don't know, no? So let us calculate on cost of production. How you are going to calculate here? Add profit. Profit 12.5%. 12 1 by 2 percentage on selling price. Okay. How much you are getting? Profit ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా?
ఆన్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఏమమ్మా కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ కదా.
అదే కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ మీద చేయండి. సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ లేదు కదా మరి మనకు. సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ మీద చేసినప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది? కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ మీద చేసినప్పుడు ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ తీసుకోవాలి? 12.5 అంటే దాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేయండి. 12.5 సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 12 1 by 2 24 ప్లస్ 1 25 by 2 కదా. 25 by 2 అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది? Selling price is equal to take the formula. Selling price is equal to cost of production. Cost of production as profit, right? Right. So then equal to cost of production into అప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా? 12.5 అంటే